Hi everyone. Let's talk about what the purpose is to the American Bankruptcy Code. America is unique in that our bankruptcy code does an excellent job of balancing the needs of debtors to have a fresh start, to not be labored by debt that they can never escape from, with the needs of creditors, particularly the needs of creditors in a capitalistic system, to make good on money that they are owed. A lot of countries struggle with trying to find that balance. Now, one of the reasons our bankruptcy code is so good at it is it's been around for a very long time. The right to bankruptcy is actually incorporated into the U.S. Constitution, and in the Constitution it actually directs Congress to keep and maintain a bankruptcy code. So we have had our code almost as long as we've had a country, and that has given the bankruptcy courts quite a bit of time to learn and modify and hone the bankruptcy code. The most recent revisions to the Bankruptcy Code were in 2005. Now, unfortunately, these particular revisions actually made bankruptcy tougher on debtors. And for those of you who know your recent American history, 2005 was immediately before the Great Recession hit. So it was quite a bit unfortunate that our bankruptcy code became less user-friendly right before we had one of the worst recessions in American history. But in any event, all in all, it's quite a good code. Now, part of the bankruptcy code philosophy is that bankruptcy courts should be courts of equity. And what a court of equity is a court that does not have to act within solely the frameworks of the applicable laws, in this case, the applicable law being the Federal Bankruptcy Code. Rather, bankruptcy courts can act on principles of equity, fairness, fair play, in balancing the needs of the debtors to a fresh start against the needs of the creditors to get paid. Now, how that balancing works often depends on the facts of a particular bankruptcy and relies very heavily on which chapter of the bankruptcy is being pursued. So that's all for this video, and please keep on with your reading, and we'll talk again soon.